How to become a millionaire in 50 days. Becoming a millionaire in 50 days. It sounds wild, almost impossible. But let me tell you something. It's been done, and it's not about luck. It's about mindset, opportunity, and making bold moves that most people aren't willing to make. Think about the way most people approach money. They trade time for it. Hour by hour, paycheck by paycheck, they hope to save enough. But the truth is, no one ever became a millionaire by just saving. Wealth comes from creation, creating value, creating opportunities, creating systems that multiply themselves. Day 1 to 50 isn't about making small, safe moves. It's about leverage. Imagine this. In those 50 days, you're focused not on what you can do alone, but how you can expand your reach. Maybe it's leveraging a growing market, tapping into the power of digital products, or investing smartly in an emerging asset. This is how millionaires think. They use what they have and multiply it by 10. Now let me be clear. You don't get there by playing it safe. That's what everyone else does. In 50 days, you need to make decisions that scare you a little, maybe even a lot. You've got to break out of the mindset that keeps most people trapped. You don't wait for the perfect moment, because it will never come. You create the perfect moment by acting decisively. In these 50 days, your time is your most valuable resource. Every day counts. Successful people don't spend their time scrolling social media or binging TV. They invest their time in learning, strategizing, and executing. They learn the game, whether it's stocks, real estate, tech, or something else, and they master it. But here's the real secret to success in 50 days. Partnerships. No one gets to $1 million alone. In the next 50 days, you need to surround yourself with the right people. Mentors, investors, visionaries, people who can open doors and accelerate your journey. Wealth flows through networks, and the stronger your network, the faster you'll reach your goal. You need to take action, and you need to take it now. In the digital age, opportunities are endless. People are making thousands, even millions online with the right strategies, building brands, creating content, selling courses, flipping properties, investing in crypto. But the key is to act. Execute relentlessly, every single day. There's no room for hesitation, and you'll fail. Yes, in 50 days, you'll make mistakes. You'll have setbacks, but that's part of the process. Every mistake teaches you something. Every setback sets you up for a bigger leap forward. The people who make it to $1 million are the ones who keep moving, who adjust, who learn faster than anyone else. Here's the bottom line. Becoming a millionaire in 50 days is not just about money. It's about becoming the kind of person who can attract and handle that kind of wealth. You'll develop new habits, new ways of thinking, and a new level of discipline. It's about who you become in the process, because that person will not just make $1 million, they'll make millions over and over again. So, if you're ready to take your life to the next level, to push harder and dream bigger like this video, and make sure to subscribe for more insights on how to transform your mindset and your financial future. Let me know what you think.